Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the coolest collectibles on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you rock music enthusiasts and Ghost fans alike. We're talking about the Funko Pop! Rocks! Ghost! Papa Emeritus IV. This collectible isn't just another figure. It's a tribute to one of the most iconic bands in modern rock history. So, let's get into it and discover why this piece is a must-have for your collection. First, let's take a closer look at the figure itself. The Funko Pop! Rocks! Ghost! Papa Emeritus IV captures the essence of the band's enigmatic frontman in stunning detail. Standing at about 3.75 inches tall, this vinyl figure features Papa Emeritus IV in his signature attire. A striking black outfit adorned with intricate details that fans will instantly recognize. The attention to detail is impressive, from the flowing cape to the iconic skull face paint. Funko has done an exceptional job bringing the character to life, making it a standout piece for any collection. For those unfamiliar with Ghost, let's take a moment to appreciate their impact on the music scene. Known for their theatrical performances and catchy melodies, Ghost has carved a unique niche within the rock genre. With Papa Emeritus as a central figure, the band combines elements of heavy metal with a theatrical flair that resonates with fans worldwide. This Funko Pop! Serves not just as a collectible but also as a celebration of the band's artistic vision. Now, let's talk about why this figure is not only a great addition to your collection but also a wise investment. With its current price at around $19.50, it's an accessible piece for both seasoned collectors and newcomers. Funko Pop! Figures tend to hold their value well, especially those tied to iconic characters and bands. As Ghost continues to grow in popularity, this figure could become even more sought after in the future. If you're wondering how to showcase your new Funko Pop! Figure, there are plenty of creative options. Whether you prefer a dedicated shelf, a display case, or integrating it into your existing music memorabilia, this figure is sure to catch the eye of anyone who walks into the room. Pair it with other Funko figures from the Rock series, or display it alongside your favorite Ghost albums for a complete aesthetic that pays homage to the band. In conclusion, the Funko Pop! Rocks! Ghost! Papa Emeritus IV isn't just a figure, it's a piece of musical history. It embodies the spirit of Ghost and offers fans a tangible connection to the band they love. Whether you're a die-hard Ghost fan or a collector looking to expand your lineup, this figure is a fantastic addition to any collection. So, don't miss out on the chance to own this iconic piece. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more collectible showcases, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for all the latest in collectibles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember, keep rocking and collecting.